In this video, I am working on regasketing, resealing the entire block. I'm going to replace the valve guide or the valve seals on the head. Just basically rework the entire engine and clean it up. I've already degreased the worst of it. This engine actually didn't really leak any oil, but it, well, you know, it's a 30-year-old car, so there was a lot of buildup on there. And yeah, I've got the full kit, so I'm doing the bottom end and the head, also replacing the harmonic balancer while I'm in there because this one's pretty dried up. And then I got some new accessory bushings. So I'm going to strip her down, clean her up, paint it, and get it ready to put back in. Alright, so got the oil pan pretty cleaned up. At least good enough to start putting it back together. Got the gasket surface all polished up. There's a little nick right here. Probably from, I don't know, putting on a dolly or something, but I don't think that's going to affect anything. Got the same thing, the gasket surface on the bottom end all cleaned up. I was afraid I was going to have to take this off of the stand and suspend it off the cherry picker to get this back seal and gasket plate off. But after looking at it for a minute, I think I can get some wobble sockets in there and leave it on the engine stand. So I'm going to do that. Decided against redoing the valve seals and everything. How many miles are on this engine, and I just don't want to open a can of worms that I can't get back together. So it didn't burn oil when I took it apart. Going to pop that off, regasket that. The main seal is actually new from when I put the engine in the first time. I'm not too worried about that. But this gasket in here is probably fine. But there's still just a lot of oil buildup everywhere. So I figure I've got it apart. Why not just do it?